para sa panibagong taon na sasalubungin ng ating mga kapulisan. Isang New Year's Call ang isinagawa para sa taong 2024 sa Multipurpose Hall ng Camp Crame. Ang activity na ito ay ginagawa taon-taon bilang pagpapakita ng matibay na samahan at suporta ng ating mga kapulisan sa kanilang buting general.
I would like to thank each and every one of you for those accomplishments that we had, especially on the trust rating. The trust and confidence given by the people. Yan lang naman ang may pagmamalakit natin sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. And I think it's not me, but it's you who are on the ground commanding our police officers. We do it step by step in accomplishing and gaining the trust and confidence, hindi biglaan.
Lahat ng mga high-ranking officials, kabilang na ang command group, directorial staff, police regional offices, national support units, and other units sa buong bansa. Kasama din ang mga butihing may bahay ng ating mga top officials.
Sa serbisyong nagkakaisa, will remain our guiding principles as we strive to be respected, disciplined, and united police force that preserves the order and security of every Filipino citizen. I'm happy to be with you. I'm willing to serve until March 31, and kung ano man ang suporta na binigay nyo sa akin last 2023, sana for this remaining months ay ituloy natin. Maraming salamat po and Happy New Year.
Bukod sa pagpapakita ng courtesy at loyalty, ito rin ay pagkakataon ng ating police force na muling balikan at buhayin ang kanilang diwa para sa kanilang layunin. Ang layunin na pairalin ang kapayapaan para sa ikauunlad ng ating bansa.
As we begin this year, let us continue to build on the positive initiatives from last year. Tuloy-tuloy po natin, sayang. Kung 80 plus ngayon, pwedeng 90 plus. Aim high and we finish high. Magtulong-tulungan tayo, and together we can overcome any challenge. It's a tradition, It's a tradition that some sort of renewing yung commitment. Dito rin tayo pwede magpasalamat sa tulong ng ating mga commanders on the ground for a very successful accomplishment. Yung figures and statistics sa 2023. And also, it's an opportunity to somehow synchronize yung mga priorities natin for 2024. And it's also one way of to bond again kasi every opportunity that we can take at makapag-usap-usap, makapag-banding, malaking bagay po sa amin. Especially on this New Year, maraming dapat gawin. It's really very important na merong ganitong gathering. Aside from being a tradition, time-honored tradition to na ginagawa ng PNP. The same thing will happen sa baba, at the regional level. May mga cortical, mga commanders, mga chief of police sa mga kanya-kanyang RD. And also sa mga tao natin sa baba, it's a call that we should be united always. The PNP being a part of the security force, yung umaasang ating bayan para mapanatili and maging tahimik ang ating bansa. May I take this opportunity that to encourage ang ating kapulisan. We have accomplished so much together. Nagsarado ang taon na maganda. Sana itong 2024, we will give our best para mas maganda lalo at ang imahe ng ating kapulisan ay hindi madudungisan.